$2.2 million not for a villa in Tulum, but for a sanctuary. Over 27,000 square feet of land, a private cenote, and only 7 minutes from the beach. Come with me, I'll show you around. This villa tells you exactly what it is from the first moment. Elegance at its maximum. And when you cross this door, you will feel two special things. The first one is that the noise disappears. You immediately feel a sense of peace. The only thing that you hear is the sound of the trees, the birds, and 2 or 3 iguanas that are running around this land. The other thing that you immediately notice is the temperature. As you can see, this house is oriented to the north, so it has a lot of shade just because it's architecture itself, but also because look at this land full of trees that give you precious shade in a tropical environment. Now, once you enter the house itself, you would immediately also feel the sense of freshness. This house, first of all, look at the heights. The hot temperature will always go up, and because how it was designed, you have a cross ventilation with a lot of exquisite natural light, having different shapes in all of your furniture, and I love that. And one of the things that you would notice that makes this house unique is how they use the wood. You will see in all the carpentry, Parota wood, that is a hardwood from the Yucatan Peninsula. It's an exotic wood that you won't find in other parts of the world, and it's perfect for interiors and exteriors. And you will also see the Pucté wood, which is another Yucatan wood, which is very exquisite, very beautiful, and look how it looks. It's all structural. One of the things that I love most about this house is how monumental it is just because of the height. However, normally high ceilings and monumental house might feel colder. However, the wood creates this coziness that makes me feel at home and makes me feel loved. As an architect, I can tell you something true. Spaces like this one, with all of this mix of natural materials, beautiful natural light, cross ventilation, connection with nature will always help you in your health. And this is why people have used this house as retreats or as spaces for them to disconnect, to reconnect with the essentials. And this is exactly where's the difference from a normal, maybe beautiful villa from a memorable villa. And when I tour clients, what I normally ask them is, what does this house make you feel? Because if this sanctuary gives you something to your heart, then this is it. Now we're walking in a loggia that many could think that it's just a terrace. However, since it is designed as a Mexican hacienda, where this terrace connects through all the house, we can say that this is an essential part of the house where you can have your morning coffee, read a book, connect with all your family, and enjoy the house in a simple corridor. Now I want to show you how the social areas connect with the private areas, and you will love them. Tell me if this is not the perfect spot to relax. Now you can feel the space of the bedrooms. It's only 1 story. The architecture played also in this area with the heights. So it's not a bedroom that feels tight either. It feels very airy. All natural materials, chukum walls, the woods that I was telling you. And I'm gonna show you a little secret that you will love. Look at this space. Tell me if you wouldn't take a hot tub here with a little wine, hearing the sound of the birds, feeling this freshness, and just enjoying yourself. These spaces are made to nurture yourself, and this is what I love about these houses, that when you are in a house like this, you go out of this house feeling refreshed and happier. And this that was long before the house existed. This is a cenote, which is that connection of underground rivers throughout all of the peninsula of Yucatan. And what I really love is how the house honors this water with orienting the house to this area. Now, you can actually, in the future, clean it, do it a little bit better so it can be your main pool. And one little thing that no house maybe needs, but it's something that makes it super differentiated, is that it includes also a treehouse, which is actually very interesting because it's a beautiful spot where you can meditate, you can read a book, you can play with children. It's really nice. Now, picture this. Imagine you here in December with all of your family members and friends. This house can entertain maybe 30 people without any problem, people being in the kitchen, living room, in all of the terraces that connects all the house, in the bedrooms, in the pool, in the treehouse, in the grill area, and everyone playing together to create this ambience that maybe you're looking for. And if you are in this moment of your life where you're looking for a little bit of more peace, less noise, more connection to yourself and with nature, send me a message so that I can show you all of the beautiful villas that we have in this tropical environment in Riviera Maya. And remember that every Thursday we host a live where we showcase the best opportunities in beach destinations in Mexico. So don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and don't forget to see our next video where I'll show you another beautiful villa.